hold a tissue good. Them bro, when a woman have a tall fingernail, I go one party and then a bathroom, bro. And a girl fingernail them long and she say, roll up the toilet paper for me and just give me.
Roll her answer.
Yeah. And me I say, when me see she a wife, so bro, me I say, I want that. I want that. She can't even reach on her back part, bro. So 99% of them girls that wear fingernail and talk about them a hot girl, them a shit girl and shit up.
Fucking hell. So more time shit come between their fingernails, sir. Scrape up.
Shit up. Them fingernails shit up. When they fly, when they walk past them and I'll know where they think.
The one there with the BBL.
Stand up beside it and think. You ever smell a crab when it dead? Then think.
The one there with the BBL. The big body. Oh my god.
And when they talk more, I feel like there's some joke to get on you. Me I make you know straight. Some man shit up. When you come down off a TikTok. And I come snap and I talk about say, let get in booty and shit up.